You're sitting in a quiet room, everyone's silent. And then, growl. Your stomach just betrayed you, but your stomach isn't begging for food. It's doing something way more interesting. Every 2 hours, your brain sends a signal down to your gut. Time to clean house. Your intestines start contracting in waves, sweeping out leftover bits of food, bacteria, and gunk. As these waves push everything through, they also squeeze pockets of air and fluid. And when that air gets forced through the narrow tubes of your digestive system, that's the growl you hear. This cleaning happens whether you're hungry or not. Your stomach does this every 90 minutes, all day and all night. You only notice the growl when your stomach is empty because there's no food to dampen the sound. So that embarrassing noise, it's not desperation. It's just your body taking out the trash.